But with me.
And
And
we got another.
We bought more.
Say when. All right. This used to be a Skylight, and it's been patched in with plywood, and they asked me to fix the shingles in. What I'm going to do is pull all this back. That's they're trying to keep it from leaking. I'm going to pull this back and we'll weave it back in. So we'll take you along with us as we do it. And
You want to go put that in charger?
what?
The camera?
You can. I don't know if it works. Keys up. Left that under there. That's part of the problem. We're gonna pull that out. We're gonna need a 1/4 inch. Okay, that's what it looks like. We got through with it, and see how everything's staggered all the way up. That's where they tried to stop the leaks, but probably had cracks in the plastic Skylight. But there you are.